Crowborough nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang baka jela Conrad ki sangma ulaong baka jing pleno ya ka Crowborough labo ban ple haka khat South Tarik ubanai Risaw arhajar arpoar. Kadai ke yang basa ni ka hotel kadai ka jing tei ka bala sateng kumbalai phau South nem AA. Henry ya ka tei ka hotel jong ka sarkar jela on sala ban pleno ha ubanai banwan. Bat ka ha hapo ka jing pet jong ka touch vivanta ka badai ka company ka ba penya da ka Indian Hotel Company Limited. Habakren Chakilat Pathai Khubor hakas nginingkong Menteri rangba ulaong ba katay ka hotel kalabiang ban pleno. Henry dang don kam sa khandiat sngi AA ban penbet penbiang yaki jing don kam ba katay ka hotel ka don kam. Ulaong ba uladep banyakren badu MD bat kiladep yakun ba ka khat South Tarik Risaw on sa pleno ya katay ki yang basa. Halor ka jing tmu wan jong ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu banwan play ya katay ka hotel ka badan hakandailan. Conrad ke sangma ulaong bakinom apsate ya kate ke president bakan one play ya kate ke hotel namaru wat lada kate ke yang basa kadai jong ka sarkar jela Henry lapanyat pat da ki riushimen ulaong ru bakala airport ban ab ya ka president kari bakan one play ya kate ke yang basa namarken sadon shibun ki program ki bansas dang hasilong hakini ki benai banwan kumtala don kam kerke ban pleno kam klo ya kate ki yang basa na benta ki breu ki banwan chapo ka jilla.
Ready for inauguration. The Taj team from the Tatas had come in. They've made some more observations and they require another 5-10 days more to add those requirements that the Taj the Taj group has asked for, which they're doing. And I've spoken to the MD also, Mr. Chatwal, and we have fixed the date for 14th of October. Once the entire setup is ready as per their requirements. There was one more small thing that they wanted, so they'll require 5 to 10 days. After that, my calendar also is tight during puja, and after that for about 5-10 days, and the MD's calendar also is tight. So we have decided that on 14th will be hosted, and it's almost ready. Let's hope that 14th should be the date. So once we get a confirmation from the Taj group, from the Vivanta group, we will be fixing the dates, but tentatively yes, we have finalized the 14th of October as the launch date. And that day we will actually soft launch, including rooms and other things. I think we'll be waiting for the President because as I said, it's a number one, it's a private property in one way. I mean, it's government, but it's privately run, so it may not be appropriate for President of India to come in and inaugurate that, and plus the time also is going. So we would need to set up these hotels fast because we have a large number of activities coming up in Shillong and we need accommodations for that. So we may not be able to wait. We had been, there's a communication that had come to us a long time back that Honorable President would like to visit Meghalaya, and they had asked us for a list of projects and different activities that could be conducted during a visit. And that was the last communication we had. So after that we have replied back to the Presidential Secretariat, and we have not received any communication after that. So we're waiting for a response.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.